Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Joe Santos is the founder of the Silent No More movement, a petition that prompted senators to introduce Bill 326.
The mission then was to get the legislature to pass a bill that would lift the statute of limitations on civil actions against abusers of child sex abuse.
While the petition was circulated, survivors surfaced, including Roland Sandia, who alleges he was 15 years old when he was molested by Archbishop Anthony Apron, who was a priest at the time. In a press conference today, Sandia makes one last cry to Governor Eddie Calvo to sign the bill into law.
Governor Calvo, please sign Bill 326. The Archdiocese of Agana must take total responsibility for the actions of Anthony Apron and the other perpetrators. This is not about money or destroying the church. It is about the church taking responsibility.
While Bill 326 was started by a petition, it ironically could end with another petition. On Wednesday, the Archdiocese of Agana submitted a petition containing 4,500 signatures, asking Calvo to veto the bill. On the line, a bankrupt archdiocese and the potential closure of Catholic schools and other Catholic services to the community. Guam's Apostolic Administrator Archbishop Savio Han Taifai returned to Guam early Thursday morning. He too made one last cry to Calvo to veto Bill 326.
We do need to give justice. And second, of course, if somebody did something wrong, let him be or let her be punished, but not other innocent people who may be involved in getting the service from the Archdiocese.
But more debate continues, although attorneys Bob Klitsky and former Attorney General Doug Moylan agree survivors deserve justice. They don't agree on how best to proceed. Earlier this week, Moylan spoke out, urging the governor and senators to seek a legal opinion from the Supreme Court. Klitsky says that the governor can only request concerning his power, and senators can only request concerning its operations, but they can't ask a general question about the constitutionality of a law affecting private parties.
There cannot be a declaratory judgment on a bill, okay? There could be a declaratory judgment if the governor asks for it or if the legislature asks for it, dealing with their own powers and authority. But those kinds of declaratory judgments at the Supreme Court are not available to private parties.
The Catholic Church has been here and is even older than the government of Guam itself. So to say that this isn't a matter of great public importance, Guam being one of the few jurisdictions in the entire United States where most of our population is Catholic, we're going to be affected by this. Your Sunday Masses, at the minimum, reflect the fact that there's resources spent on paying the clergy, Catholic schools for that matter, our busing system. The Catholic schools, they take away the burden upon the government of Guam taxpayer, as you can see.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Crystal Paco.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.